Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for WeChat. First, you'll need to download the WeChat application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll see a welcome screen. Tap on the Sign Up button, then select Sign Up with Mobile to begin the registration process using your phone number. It's a straightforward first step. Next, you'll enter your country code and your mobile phone number into the designated fields. Make sure to review and agree to the WeChat user agreement and privacy policy before proceeding. After confirming these details, tap the Sign Up button. You'll then be prompted to complete a simple security verification, often a slider puzzle, to prove you're not a robot. This helps keep your account secure. Now it's time to personalize your new WeChat account. You'll need to enter a nickname, which is how others will see you on the platform. Choose something that represents you. Then, create a strong password, ensuring it's at least 8 characters long for optimal security. You also have the option to upload a profile picture, which can be changed at any time. This makes your profile unique. Sometimes, WeChat might ask for a friend to verify your account as a final security measure. If this happens, simply follow the instructions. Once your account is fully set up, you can start adding friends by searching for their WeChat ID or phone number. With your account ready, you can begin exploring all the features WeChat offers, from messaging to moments, and connect with people around the world. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.